Hi, my name is Ilena Persaud, and I will be talking about oxytocin and its effect on social reward in the medial prefrontal cortex. Oxytocin is a 9 amino acid peptide long known for its physiological effects in the body and its behavioral effects in the brain, and has been called the love drug or the love hormone. More recently, it has been associated with behavioral effects such as in-group and out-group distinction and discrimination and punishment, social reward, addiction, and social disorders. For this experiment, we'll be taking groups of rats that have been housed together and placing them in an apparatus containing two chambers, one with a restraining tube where a rat will be placed captive, and one with a lever where a rat will be able to press a lever to release their cage mate. We will run several trials where the latency of lever pressing to the presentation of the captive rat will be recorded, and then a stranger rat will be introduced and new baselines will be recorded. Once the two sets of baselines have been compared, oxytocin, saline, or an oxytocin antagonist will be introduced and the trials will be repeated. We are looking at two methods of introducing the solutions. One way is a cannula directly inserted into the medial prefrontal cortex, an area known to be implicated in executive function and decision making, or through nasal administration, with the solution administrations being alternated to control for order effects. The apparatus we have built has been hand designed and programmed, with each lever press being recorded, timestamped, and logged. But one of the major issues we've had with this experiment has been due to a major interruption. There has been a large break in the training schedule for the rats, and changes in their latencies have been observed. While all latencies are far below their training phase and under an average of 40 seconds, there will most likely need to be another cohort to finish the experiment. Well, thank you so much for listening, and I would like to thank Dr. April Becker, Stacy, and the Neuroplasticity and Recovery Lab, as well as everyone in the University of McNair Scholars Program. I really appreciate all of their help in getting this project started.